In this video, we're going to walk you through how to reconcile an invoice to a deposit in Xero. If you're new to Xero or just trying to make sure your financials are in order, this step-by-step guide will help you ensure that your deposits match the invoices you've issued, keeping your accounting accurate and stress-free. Xero is a powerful accounting software, and one of the core tasks that you'll frequently need to handle is reconciliation. Reconciling an invoice to a deposit is crucial because it ensures that your business's bank statements and your invoices align perfectly. If you're handling payments and deposits, this task can seem intimidating, but I promise by the end of this video, you'll have it down. First things first, you want to start by logging into Xero and heading to the Accounting tab, then select Bank Accounts. You'll see your connected bank accounts here. Choose the bank account where your deposit has been recorded. Once you're inside the bank account, click on the Reconcile button. Now here's where the magic happens. Xero will display a list of all the transactions that are yet to be reconciled. If the deposit you're reconciling is already in your bank account, you'll find it listed under the Bank Statement section. What you want to do next is find the corresponding invoice that the deposit is linked to. You can filter by customer or use the Find and Match option. When you click Find and Match, Xero will display all your outstanding invoices, and you can match the deposit to the right one by selecting the invoice and clicking OK. If there are multiple invoices, you can select all that apply. This is especially useful when partial payments or deposits are made. Xero will then show you the amount being reconciled with the deposit, and you'll see if everything matches up. If it does, click OK, and your reconciliation is complete. One key thing to watch for is if your deposit amount is larger than your invoice total. If that happens, make sure you investigate the difference. You may have overpaid, or there may be an additional charge you weren't expecting. Xero allows you to add a new transaction if needed, such as a credit or discount adjustment, to account for this. Another common scenario is when a deposit isn't yet showing in the bank. In that case, you'll need to use the Create option in Xero to enter the deposit manually. This is especially common if the payment was made offline or through a different method. You can create the payment entry by choosing Receive Money under the Bank Transactions tab and entering the details, like the customer name, amount, and date. Once you've matched your invoice to the deposit, Xero will automatically mark it as reconciled, so you don't have to worry about doing it manually every time. Now, one last thing to note is that Xero is incredibly intuitive when it comes to reconciliation. It offers a quick and easy way to handle your daily transactions without the complexity of other accounting software. If you're not already using Xero, you can start for free through the first link below, and we're even offering some exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the software. Reconciliation doesn't have to be a headache. With Xero, you can streamline your invoicing and deposit matching process in no time. So whether you're new to Xero or just refining your workflow, now you know how to reconcile an invoice to a deposit quickly and efficiently. As mentioned earlier, make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial we're offering through the link below to get started with Xero today. Keep your accounting accurate and easy, and enjoy the benefits of simplified bookkeeping.